Replacing hood and wiring on Craftsman's 19.5 horsepower lawnmower. William Hovey Smith, 2024. Doctor, the patient is ready for a transplant. This is Hovey Smith, the Backyard Sportsman. And today, we're going to dismantle the wiring harness from the lights for the Craftsman lawnmower here. And these are two hoods. The lawnmower I'm working on belonged to my late brother-in-law, and I want to restore it to running condition again. And the hood has some problems that you will see. And among the things we're going to do is to install this replacement hood as well as change out the wiring harness. The problem with this hood is that the lawnmower was put on a trailer backwards, and as the vehicle was being towed on the trailer, the hood flew up, and there was enough force along the trip to actually tear the attachments here loose from the bracket, which is broken and fractured all the way on both sides. What I'm going to do is to swap out the lights on these two hoods because the attachment here is different. Removing the harness, you just take these wires and turn them sideways and pull straight out, and that gets them out of that bracket. Then on the lights, or to change a bulb, you twist it counterclockwise and pull, and that releases your bulb for inspection. So now I can change out the bulbs if I need to as well. We have another little wire there, and we are free. Support this channel by buying my outdoor books, business books, novels, and recommending them to your local libraries. Now, these are some of my 20 books, and they also include novels such as The Goldfarb Chronicles and Until Death Do You Part. Also, I have a series of very inexpensive e-books on various aspects of muzzleloading, including Muzzleloaders for Hunters, an introduction, buying used muzzleloading guns, hunting with muzzleloading revolvers, and restoring your own muzzleloaders. The bulbs were covered with caked-on dust, but the tungsten filaments are intact. And I also cleaned out the connections here, so they should get good contact. So I believe we're about good to go. I now have that wiring harness reinstalled, and it's ready to go. To show you in more details about these brackets, the brackets are attached right here and also here. And this part has been torn away on the old hood, so that's why I'm not attaching it. I could reforge this bracket and reinforce this part, but that would mean adding screws and something like a furniture corner here and here to reinforce it. And I think this is a better solution, certainly more expedient. I've now reconnected the hood and its wiring, so this will serve to protect the rest of the lawnmower during the process. Hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Goodbye and God bless.